Buah Hancock! Blackbeard pun takut dengan SSG kah? Yonko takut dengan SSG? Terpaksa pakai bantal. One Piece 1059 yung Captain Kobe X Incident. Oke, Kobe. Awal-awal lagi, kata gue revisi solvent. Ini bertumbuh sama sendiri nih, kenapa nih? Effect of Caesar head. Oh, halusinasi gas daripada Caesar. Tuk L juga lah. Bukan saya nak rendahkan kategori, tapi yang terjadi. Kenapa selama ni Caesar tak gunakan hallucination gas nih? Gas pula. So mereka dah escape lah dengan Jerman. Next, Kobe Incident dengan buah Hancock. Near Sphinx Whitebeard Homeland, new one, dekat dengan rumah Homeland Whitebeard. Alright, thanks again for the ride, Yoy. Marco dengan ini kapal Shanks, a solitary ship upon the ocean. You really not going to join the crew? Saya invite Marco dekat dalam cruise Shanks nih. Shanks. Quite dreaming. I'm way too old and worn out to keep playing babysitter for you great pirates. Aku terlalu tua nak join kehebatan lanun kamu. It's not like I'm a handful or anything. Back me up here, back. Fred, I can't. See, I run a little area. Okay, the flashback again. Seriously, you're not living with us. Come on, be a pirate. Say it and so Yamato-chan. You probably already know this, kau sepertinya tahu. But the forest guy was only driven off thanks to whoever caused that immense burst of haki. Siapa je yang mengeluarkan haki yang boleh menyebabkan Admiral itu keluar. Nampak itu yang menjadi punca kenapa Yamato dia nampaklah terlihat luas pemandangan dengan kekuatan yang ada kat luar tu. So kalau dia tinggalkan Wano akan jadi vulnerable untuk diserang. Kaido might be gone now. Langsung tak ada cerita Kaido dengan Big Mom kat dalam tanah tu. But his absence has opened up the floodgates for guys like that to pour into the country. Can't just abandon everybody now, cannot. Besides, I doubt either of us will enjoy our adventure if we were always worrying about Wano. Walaupun iyalah bagus untuk pemikiran, tapi secara tidak langsung pemikiran begini nih menyebabkan kau memandang rendah dengan kekuatan samurai dengan Kozuki. Momonosuke, trust lah dengan dorang. But man, I still really want to be one of you, to be a real crewmate. I guess so, you got up and it will be a lot of my mind. Itu akan menjadi pikiran saya juga. Okay, I'll leave Momo and others to you. Alright? Careful Yamato, Momo has a lot of pride, don't want it. Itu Zoro kata gitu. I know I'll find another reason for me to stay. Yamato-chan. Marco! Straw Hat, there's a ship nearby that gave me a lift. So I'll be heading off first, Yoy. Marco, you leaving already? Kau bedar dah? Yeah. You served me back in the Summit War, right? I never got to say thanks. Jinbei take as brother and go. Back then we all seemed so ready to spring into action. Makes you wonder why, isn't it, Jinbei? Wah, that was a while ago. Who could say? So, lagi taruh kemana? Marineford atau Wano? Tapi lagi tragic Marineford. Walaupun di Kak Wano ni dua Yonko. Tapi lagi tragic Marineford. I'm sure Ace will be proud to see how far you've come, Yoy. Shishi, oh yeah. The times belong to you youngsters now. Stay strong. Got it later. Ke tempat Whitebeard punya homeland. Buah Hancock! The Isles of Woman Amazon Lily Gumbelt. The town is in bad shape. Kota mengalami kerusakan teruk. This is the first time in history men have invaded like this. As long as I'm here, the Navy won't stop coming. But where in the world would I go? Yalah, sekarang mereka dah jadi sasaran juga. Setiap warlord, previous warlord. So, ada banyak kapal shipwreck. So, tak lepas dengan buah Hancock. Since it's come to this, I think I'd better go go and marry Luffy. Yes, you always think. Dia mengeluh, rindulah dengan Boa, my waifu. Tak salah, ada Robin, ada Boa. Boleh kan? I think I'd better go and marry Luffy. Dia nak mengeluh, cara dia, aku nak kahwin dengan Luffy. A few weeks prior, the gates are down. Where under fire, the Kuja are resisting. Deploy the new pacifista, the Seraphism should be on the front. New pacifista? So ini ke SSG ni? Still not ready to come out and face out. Hancock, get ready to record what happening. Roger. Record? Pakai video Dan Mushiro. Who is that? I can fight a child. The chapter of overwhelming strength also, isn't that? SSG, kia. Dia macam budak, lepas ada api, dia macam Lunarian, macam King. Gabungan pasifista dengan King punya Lunarian tribe. Ada mata bintang, bukan macam mata Im sama. Warship spotted. Watch this turn. Huh? What the? Attention, report from the shores. Pirates incoming. An Emperor crew is here. Emperor crew. The Black Bit. It's a sequence. These Sea Kings will notice us. So, ini perempuan yang mata. Oh ya, ini perempuan mata bintang ni di Navy. So dalam masa yang sama, Blackbeard datang ke Amazon Lily. I've come for the Pirate Empress. So balik kepada timeline yang sekarang, Boa selamat. Ini yang flashback. I won't let a power like hers fall into the Navy's clutch. Dia nak buah Hancock tu. Devil fruit buah Hancock. Tapi okay. That Hancock, what a gorgeous face. Her head will make a wonderful trophy after I ring her neck. You can have your way with her after we take her power. Hang on, gotcha. Think we could have more fun with her if we took her. Untuk apa Blackbeard nak buah Hancock? Sebab Hancock ni orang yang jatuh cinta dengan dia, yang ada perasaan berahi dekat dalam dada, kat perasaan mereka, itu dia yang boleh menjadi batu. Kalau Blackbeard, engkau nak jadi batu apa? But Admiral, we need you to give the order to engage. Oh yeah, Kobe. So Kobe dia bertembung dengan Blackbeard and Boa. Hold fire until we hear from HQ. Yeah, power, Blackbeard. So dia master lah. I'm not here for you fells. Please. Lalat. Get out here, Boa Hancock. Keluar. Apa ni? Gua. Oh, Kuja punya istana. Can't say I'm surprised. We expected other pirate to want a piece of the former warlord. So dia boleh dengan one by one dengan Boa Hancock. Hancock son, the Navy isn't looking for a fight. If you surrender yourself to us, I promise we'll leave immediately. Let us handle this, sister. This hero of theirs sure is conceited. Okay. Hancock, don't waste your breath. I'll never submit to another captivity. Aku tak nak menyerahkan dengan orang lain lah. But sisters, don't do it. Commodore, teach, save us. Nothing past this thing. Huh? Wait, you kidding? White hair, brown skin, and black wings. Oh. Blackbeard pun takut dengan SSG ke? Yonko takut dengan SSG? You guys aren't serious. This kick took all of you down by himself. Dia mengalahkan siapa ni? Tentera biasa ke ataupun commander daripada ni Blackbeard? Tapi ini mati dia lain dah. Ada berapa berapa orang nih SSG nih? Ini materi macam ini sama dengan Mihawk, Lunarian, PX, dipotong pulau Kingdom Amazon Lily nih. Macam cake. Damn it, a pacifista bread. What the hell is going on? This is huge. Blackbeard takut ke? Black hole. Slave arrow. Yeah. Oh. Panel yang shot yang baik daripada black hole ke atas. Ni Amazon Medusa punya batu punya devil fruit dia tu. Aku pun tak susah nak fikir. Helmi Pausan, YouTube vs Admiral Yamakaji. Pacifista, stop that. You smash the people who've been turned to stone. Stop right now, that's an order. Perfume. Apa yang aku nampak ni? Blackbeard dia cekik buah memang wild. Kobe melutut, tak mampu buat apa-apa. Former wallet pada buah Hancock 1.659 billion. 1.659. Oh, dan lagi dah 3.996 billion. So official Pirate yang aktif selepas Shang tertinggi bounty Blackbeard. Previous 2 bilion lebih. Ni 3.9 bilion. Okay. Ni baru betul. Ketiga baru Hawkeye. Lepas tu Buggy. And Luffy. Kid. And Law. Get your filthy hands off me. She can use her power. I see they don't call you Empress for nothing. Most of the morons on my crew are petrified. You so good as good. Yelah. Dia punya commander pun. Shiryu mana? Shiryu. I've had my eyes on your power for quite a while. My beauty is what makes this power formidable. If you kill me, all of you little friends will remain statue forever. Betul. Whoever inherits my power won't be able to release them. Ya, betul. Dia yang menyebabkan power dia ni aktif adalah dengan menggoda dia, dengan kecantikan dia. Kalau Whitebeard dah ambil orang tergoda ke? Pui! I knew it, bawah Hancock. Mana panel ni? Mana? Kat bawah ni dulu. What do I do? Everyone's been turned to stone. Helmet pop pun jadi batu. Most of the morons on my crew are petrified. Oh yeah. I knew it, boy Hancock is far trickier than anyone expected. Seems like we're at a bit of an impasse, doesn't it, Arrow? You did me a favor at Rocky Port. That made it possible for me to oust Choku and become the boss of Pirate Island. So yang menyebabkan Whitebeard dapat teritori di dalam Pirate Island tu adalah Kobe. Disebabkan Kobe. Macam mana? Dia menghantar semua pirate untuk bergabung ke Pirate Island tu. Tapi yang paling wild di sini, kenapa ada muka Luffy dekat screen? Okay. If I unhand the woman, do you reckon she'd play nice and change everyone back to normal? I'd be a headache for me if she didn't restore the marriage. I'll do it if you two get off my island. Aku akan lakukan kalau kamu berdua tinggalkan pulau. Wah, betul. You know, I just don't buy it the way I said. If I let go, you just turn us to stone, right? I honestly don't think any man can resist his charms. This is a real head scratcher, but I guess I gotta kill you. Please wait, don't throw all those life away. Woo! Saya terpaksa pakai bantal. I knew the Navy would lay siege to the island, but I didn't think the terrain here would get this devastated. Sorry, I'm late. Hancock, Ducky, ready! Whitebirds all apprentice, huh? I know it's immature to admit this. But I really don't like you. Aku betul-betul tak suka. Berapa bontek ada bontek Silver Ceramic, Pirate King, Red Handman, Duck King, Silver Ceramic. What? Silver Ceramic. Wah. Ni kali betul-betul. Hancock, release everybody that's been turned to stone. I will ensure this de-escalated without issue. Then the invaders will leave the island. I won't allow any funny business. Presenter, I'm so glad you managed to survive that. It thanks to you, Relic. Oh, ini disebabkan Relic. Former pair impress of Amazon from Shark, bekas Captain Kuja Pirate 2 generation ago. Maksudnya? Progress sometimes causes new problem, even the combat isn't safe anymore. With Vegapunk Siston pedal ship out there. Between the Navy, the new weapon and Blackbird's arrival, I thought we were done for Nyo. So, orang tua Nyo ni, generasi selepas Shakuyaku kah? So, Shaku ni lebih tua daripada orang tua Nyon ni, nenek tua Nyon ni. Lepas tu baru buat. Ke macam mana? Ke saya terbalik? To be frank, we got lucky. Circumstance allowed me to resolve things with my reputation. I've gotten all. Ataupun yang paling safe, nenek tua Nyon ni yang pertama, kedua ni barulah Shaku, ketiga baru Boa. I'm pretty certain I wouldn't win a head-on fight against Blackbeard these days. From the sound of it, the Navy are looking to replace the Seven Wallet with those new weapons. Even after everything, those two didn't have a single scratch on them. It was bizarre. One of them looked just like Big Sis did when she was a kid. Mereka gabungkan DNA semua yang di dalam Akmal tu kah? King punya DNA, Kaido punya DNA, Boa punya DNA, Im sama punya DNA. Yes, we'll be docking at Egghead port soon regarding the kidnapping of Captain Kobe. Captain Let's go! So saya nampak plot yang Kobe akan berjumpa dengan Luffy lepas ni. Yalah, memang mereka akan berjumpa. Tetapi saya tak dapat nak predict langsung yang Blackbeard akan menculik Kobe with spreads. Ini tidak berdosa ke? Tengok chapter kali ni, tak berdosa ke? Tapi ni One Piece ni. Ini macam fan-made lah. Review. Dari cover patch, Katakuri versus dengan Oven, saya mula-mula tu terfikir juga kenapa boleh begini. Tapi kalau disebabkan hallucination gas tu boleh lah, yang boleh menyebabkan mereka kick Steam sendiri. Shanks mengajak invite ya Marco untuk join kru, tapi tak dapat. Oi, join lah kru Marco. Kalau dia join Luffy pun best juga. Tapi yalah. So ni ada penceritaan singkat antara Yamato dengan Luffy. Walaupun saya tak berapa minat. Bukan saya tak minat Yamato, tapi saya tak berminat dengan conversation mereka ni. Sebab yalah macam memandang rendah dengan keupayaan samurai dengan Momonosuke. Kalau engkau nak pergi-pergilah Yamato. Saya tak perasan pula panel Sanji dekat sana. Yang dia tergilakan dengan Yamato juga. And then, boom, terus bawa Hancock punya island. I think I'd better go and marry Luffy. You always think that disebabkan begini, aku sepatutnya kawin dengan Luffy. Saya ni nampak ada balutan dekat kepala. Wild sangat kali ini. Relic, walaupun kita tak nampak relic beraksi lagi, tapi inilah. Ini SSG ni WW untuk orang ini saya nampak lah boleh menjadi penyebab asbab untuk perang besar tu seimbang. Sebab pasifista kalau yang Kuma punya mod memang makanan dah untuk Straw Hat sekarang. Kalau SSG ni mungkin Blackbeard Yonko pun takut. Ini adalah gabungan daripada eksperimen Makmal dari beberapa. So serius juga. Untuk apa Blackbeard nak dapatkan buah Hancock tu? Walaupun dia tak dapat diaktifkan, sebab untuk diaktifkan buah Devil Fruit tu, dia perlukan dengan kecantikan. Engkau perlu menggoda gitu. Kalau dengan Whitebeard, mungkin dia nak bagi orang dia. Siapa nak? Katrina Devon, siapa lagi yang boleh? Katrina Devon dah ada Devil Fruit, Firefox, Nine-Tailed Fox. Yang bestnya One Piece ni, walaupun ada 4 Yonko Emperor yang menguasai lautan, tetapi ada individu yang boleh menyaingi Emperor tu, seperti Relic Emperor level, Yonko level, Hawkeye, Mihawk, Garp, Sengoku, Akainu, Aokiji dengan Kizaru. Siapa lagi? Megalan pun boleh. Sebelum yang untuk previous ex-captain Kuja Pirate, Shaku tu yang Naruto tu. Shakuyaku. Sebelum Boa dia lah. So itu ialah. Dia menampakkan kenapa dia boleh mempunyai connection dengan Amazon Lily. So mereka tak boleh stay dekat Amazon Lily ni. Mereka perlu bergerak ke arah Luffy untuk join dengan tentera Luffy. Jangan bagi harapan yang Relic akan join dengan Luffy. Jangan bagi harapan. Aku tak suka lah pikiran aku. SSG, okay. Boa, Hancock, dia punya face. Yang satu tu macam King. And lastly yang wild sekali, Kobe diculik. Subscribe. Check out